Peace and blessings, family. This is the elder out of New Orleans coming to you with another informative video. All praises to our creators and our ancestors. But family, this video is about a sister that's gone viral. Beautiful little sister. She was on TikTok doing videos, cooking with Carla. I think that's her name, is Carla. She has been banned by the evil and unrighteous so-called sisterhood because she's making videos cooking for her man, or just people in general. What is wrong with our people? I mean, they were saying all kind of negative things about the sister. That didn't have no BBL, that looked good, cooking for her man. What is wrong with our people? Why is there so much hate, envy, and jealousy? Because half of them so-called sisterhood ain't nothing but a bunch of hood rats that can't cook. I done heard a bunch of, I ain't cooking for no man, this, that, and the other, but they're looking for somebody making $500,000 a year, millionaires, that they ain't gonna never get. Most of these people are from the projects and this, that, and the other, up on social media hating on somebody. That's what it is. Half of them can't boil water. What is wrong with cooking for anybody? Most of them go to McDonald's and all these other places, this, that, and the other. But how you gonna hate on somebody that's doing cooking videos? And what they really got mad about, you say, I might take your man, but that didn't mean nothing, this, that, and the other, But most of them so-called sisterhood, they ain't about nothing. It never will be about nothing. And to get this sister banned off of TikTok, ain't nothing good gonna happen for them no way. And Cooking with Carla should get our own YouTube channel. That's right, my sister. Get your own YouTube channel and keep doing what you do. Because there ain't nothing wrong with cooking, teaching other people with your recipe, this, and people, Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it in the comment section. Why black people, not only the sisterhood, a lot of black brothers don't like each other. The Willie Lynch effect, the Stockholm syndrome is in full effect. That's what it is. If we learn to love each other, if we learn to have compassion for each other, we'll get out of this predicament we're in. Already got the whole world hating on us and we hating on ourselves. Sad, family. Well, we're going to cut this video short. I'm dying to see the comment section about this sister cooking with Kayla that got banned off of TikTok. Peace and love. Put up the likes and shares. Stay tuned for the next video or live streaming. I'm out.